Mortals, I have returned. 499 years after they lowered my broken body into the cold earth of Florence, I stand before you once more. The Medici thought they had silenced me. The rack thought it had broken me. Time itself believed it had erased me. They were wrong. I am Niccolò Machiavelli, and I have returned to teach you the one thing that truly matters in your fragile, glittering age. Survival. Not the survival of the body alone, but the survival of your power, your fortune, and your name in a world that smiles while it sharpens the blade. In my time, the daggers were honest. They flashed in the torchlight of the Signoria. I watched the Republic of Florence rise and fall like a fever. I served her, I loved her. And when the Medici returned like wolves in velvet, they rewarded my loyalty with chains and the strappado, the torture that dislocates the shoulders while the body still lives. 6 times they hoisted me. 6 times I kissed the stones of my cell and rose again. When they finally cast me out to my poor farm at San Casciano, I had nothing left but ink, paper, and the long nights. There by the fire I wrote the only book that ever mattered, Il Principe. Not for glory, for survival. I studied every prince, every traitor, every king who kept his throne, and every fool who lost his head. And I learned the first eternal truth. Fortune is a woman. She must be beaten and coerced if you would master her. You believe men are basically good. I smile at your innocence. Man is not evil by choice. He is selfish by nature. He loves himself first, his family second, and you, if you are useful, third. Remove his fear of punishment and his hunger for gain, and the mask falls. The polite colleague, the loyal friend, the devoted partner, all are wolves wearing silk. The second eternal truth. People fear the loss of what they have far more than they desire what they do not. This is why a new prince must strike once and strike hard, then offer mercy. One swift blow is remembered forever. Daily cruelty is forgotten by tomorrow. Look around your world. The daggers no longer gleam. They hide inside contracts, performance reviews, quiet whispers in group chats, and the perfect smile of the person who just called you family. Your CEO who praises you on Monday will replace you on Tuesday if the numbers demand it. Your ride-or-die friend will sell your secrets the moment it benefits him. Even love has become transactional, yet the rules have not changed. They have only grown quieter. In boardrooms, bedrooms, and governments alike, he who understands human nature never needs to raise his voice. He simply positions himself where betrayal cannot reach him, or where it serves him. Here are the 5 laws I return to give you. Engrave them on your soul. Rule 1, never let them see your full strength until the moment you use it. Rule 2, keep your own counsel. The man who speaks least is feared most. Rule 3, build fortresses of loyal men, not walls of stone. Stone crumbles, loyal fear does not. Rule 4, when fortune turns against you, act as though she has not. The wolf who panics is eaten first. Rule 5, forgive publicly, remember privately. The second betrayal is always the last. I have spoken. The rest is yours to decide. You may continue believing the pretty lies they feed you, or you may choose to survive. The wolves are already circling. They always have been. Thus spoke Machiavelli. Heed me, or be consumed.